Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the JUNGSAEMMOOL Official Masterclass Brush Set, a 10-piece collection designed to elevate your makeup routine. With its precision, sleek design, and promise of a flawless finish, this set is aiming to make your beauty application a seamless experience. This brush set features angled bristles that are delicately triple cut, a design crafted to hug the contours of your face for amazing precision. The bristles themselves are dense, helping to deliver a streak-free and non-cakey finish that lasts throughout the day. Whether you're a makeup artist or just love to perfect your personal look, this set promises to elevate your game. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The JUNGSAEMMOOL Official Masterclass Brush Set includes 10 carefully crafted brushes, each designed with specific face curves and makeup techniques in mind. The star feature of these brushes is the angled bristles. The triple cut design ensures each brush can fit the curves of your face for precise application. The bristles themselves are dense, giving a smooth, streak-free finish without that dreaded cakey effect. As for materials, these brushes feel high-end, soft against the skin, and incredibly durable. From foundation to contour, each brush is tailored to help you apply product like a pro. Now, let's talk about how these brushes performed in real-world testing. The first thing I noticed when I picked them up was the weight. They feel solid but not heavy, giving you complete control during use. The bristles are super soft yet firm enough to pick up and distribute product without absorbing too much, which is great for a smooth finish. I tried these brushes with different products, powders, liquids, and creams, and was impressed by how easily they blended everything out. My foundation looked seamless, my bronzer applied beautifully, and even my concealer was blended flawlessly, thanks to the angled designs. One thing I did notice is that the brushes need to be cleaned regularly, as they tend to pick up a lot of product. That's not necessarily a bad thing. It just means you'll need to make sure you're maintaining them. The brush handles are easy to grip, but I did find the larger brushes a bit bulky when applying precise products like highlighter or concealer in smaller areas. However, the angled bristles did a decent job of reaching all the nooks and crannies of my face. Now let's get into the pros and cons of the JUNGSAEMMOOL Official Masterclass Brush Set. On the pro side, these brushes offer outstanding precision, a streak-free finish, and are soft yet dense enough for a flawless application. The triple-cut angled design is especially useful for contouring and highlighting. They also perform well across different makeup textures. Whether you're working with a cream blush or a powder foundation, the brushes distribute product evenly. On the downside, while the larger brushes are fantastic for broad areas, they can feel slightly unwieldy for intricate application. If you're used to ultra-precise tools, you might find these a bit too bulky for smaller tasks. Also, due to their density, they do absorb product more quickly, so regular cleaning is a must. When it comes to value for money, these brushes are definitely an investment. They're priced on the higher end, but considering the performance, quality of the materials, and the overall precision they offer, they're worth the price if you're serious about your makeup game. If you're just getting started with makeup, you might be able to find budget-friendly alternatives that offer a more basic experience. Comparing this brush set to others in the market, you're paying for premium materials and expert design. Other sets in a similar price range tend to lack the same level of precision and high-quality bristles, but this set offers exceptional functionality. The performance and attention to detail here make it a standout, especially for those who want their makeup to look professionally applied. When it comes to build quality, the JUNGSAEMMOOL brushes feel sturdy but luxurious. The bristles hold up well after multiple washes, and the handles have a nice weight that feels comfortable during use. If you care for them properly, I believe these brushes can last a long time, giving you high performance for months or even years. As for customer support, there hasn't been a need for direct interaction in my experience. However, the brand's reputation speaks for itself, with most customers praising their communication and handling of any issues. For those of you considering alternatives, you might want to check out other brush sets from brands like Sigma or Real Techniques, which offer similar quality at slightly lower prices. While those brushes may not have the precise angled bristles or the premium feel of the JUNGSAEMMOOL set, they can still deliver great results for a more budget-friendly option. To sum up, the JUNGSAEMMOOL Official Masterclass Brush Set is an excellent tool for anyone who values precision and flawless makeup application. The brushes feel luxurious, perform incredibly well, and have been designed with attention to detail. If you're serious about makeup and looking for a set that delivers professional results, I highly recommend giving this one a try. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried this brush set or have any other thoughts, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.